I love the company.
We do things the right way, the honest way, the upfront way.
And just, you hang up that phone, you have a little, good feeling about yourself that actually that hard work you're doing is actually paying off.
I honestly would say that yes, I would put my business in the hands of Merchant Warehouse.
We have a lot of fun doing this, as well as I think we provide the best product that you could get anywhere in our industry. So it's a real win for our customers. I mean, the company was founded to change the business. Henry and I were clearly discouraged with how inefficient, maybe dishonest the industry was, how it really was kind of a hit-and-run situation where somebody would sell that merchant account and move on and be gone.
And we basically had provided everything that we saw that was wrong with the industry. We basically changed and corrected.
Merchant Warehouse's main goal is to provide merchants with the best possible solution with no contract, annual fees, or cancellation fees.